Okay, as usual, I can't see, so I'm going to make this a little bigger. Well, that's a lot bigger. First thing that you'll notice dealing with this one is that the 2 is not a fraction. So that keep, change, flip may not work. But I do know that 2 over 1 is the same as 2. So I am keeping it if you want to look at it that way. So 2 over 1 is the same as the whole number 2. So then I'm going to change. I'm going to make it multiply. And then I'm going to flip. 1 over 7 will become 7 over 1. Once I solve that, 2 times 7, I'm going to turn off my equals 14. And 1 times 1 is 1. So that means my final answer can be reduced to just be the whole number 14. So final answer is 14. You'll need to do your reflection. Please make sure that you go to the answers to find out where that is. Our typed answers, there is an expectation to make sure that you do your reflection. Down here, in order to simplify the expression, we cannot do that because they do not have the same common denominator. So the first thing that I need to do is make sure that 5 over 7 becomes something usable. So that 7 is missing the 10. That means I have to multiply the top and the bottom. That's not by 10. So that first fraction on the top will then turn into, I hate doing the little, I know it makes it difficult, but I also know that we have to do that. 50 over 70. Well, so 5/7 becomes 50 over 70. And that will mean that my bottom number, 4/10, it is missing the 7 because it's got to be 70 as well. I'm going to go ahead and solve it, and then I'll do my equals. 4 times 7 is 28. 10 times 7 makes that common denominator that we want of 70. Phew, that was a lot of work just to be able to add or subtract, but we have to do it because we cannot add or subtract unless it has the same common denominator. So let's now put those numbers that we have. We have 50 minus 28, and they're both over 70. So then, now we can subtract. 50 minus 28. I got to think about that one. That is 22. But the bottom number, which is the denominator, still stays 70. So our final answer, since we are not being asked to reduce, is 22 over 70. I will help you with the typing here as long as I have enough time. So in this addition problem, I first need to find the common denominator of, my computer's slow. Once I do that, I can add